Well, here we are on the front engine, right side, looking at some of the specialized tools and pullers and wrenches that we've had to bring with us. In the case of the small wrench, we made that here on site. It was necessary that we had to make some adjustments, and rather than adjust our existing wrench, we just made another one. So I'll pan back and you can get an idea how large these special wrenches are. They're used for removing some of the rod hardware. So making very good progress on the UP 4014. We've got all the main rods off and we continue our work scope. Good progress, UP 4014. Here at the RailGiants Museum in Pomona, California, where work is progressing. Over the last couple of days, we've spent considerable time preparing the locomotives you see in front of me here. The Outer Harbor Dock and Warehouse Company No. 2, along with the Sunkist Climax steam locomotive. It was necessary for us to remove certain drive components and service some of the bearings on this locomotive and make it serviceable for movement. On the Outer Harbor locomotive, we had to remove the main rods and service the journals and the crank pins and allow that locomotive to move safely. So we've successfully moved those locomotives out of the way, and you can see the Cat 988 loader, which is coupled to the big boy. Excellent progress. This is a Cat 988 wheel loader. It weighs approximately 85,000 pounds and is approximately 400 horsepower. Necessary to move the locomotive. This morning we were able to move it. It actually moved quite freely once we were able to move it beyond its position where it sat for 25 years. It had made small depressions in the pavement and the rail had sunk down into the ground. As soon as we moved it beyond that point, it moved quite freely. We did have a chain on it, so we were able to control it with the chain. And from that point on, we simply released the brakes on the machine and the locomotive would ease forward to the position where we needed to remove the rods. Very good progress. UP 4014 out.